If you're a fan of big chrome, bold curves, and pure American opulence on wheels, you might want to sit down for this one. The 1959 Lincoln Continental currently listed on BringATrailer isn't just a car. It's a time capsule from an era when excess was everything and understatement wasn't even in the vocabulary. This is 5,300 pounds of rolling sculpture that screams post-war optimism. Welcome to Motor Hub 1003, and today, we're diving deep into one of the most extravagant, jaw-dropping luxury cruisers of the 1950s. The 1959 Lincoln Continental isn't just a car, it's a statement. This beast is nearly 19 feet long, with the kind of proportions that make modern SUVs look tame. Those sweeping tailfins, that front grille wide enough to double as a barbecue, and a cabin that looks more like a luxury lounge than an automobile, this Continental was Ford's no-expense-spared flex in the luxury car arms race. Every line, every chrome accent, and every panel screams confidence, optimism, and freedom. Lincoln didn't skimp on performance either. Under that monumental hood is a 430 cubic inch MEL V8, delivering a smooth 350 horsepower. Paired with a 3-speed turbo-drive automatic, it offers the kind of effortless cruising that made cross-country road trips feel like luxury vacations. This wasn't built for speed demons. It was built for presidents, tycoons, and anyone who wanted to make an entrance. Slide inside, and you're met with a dashboard that looks like it was designed by an aerospace engineer and a set of bench seats so wide and plush they could host a dinner party. Leather, chrome, and real wood grain trim transport you back to a time when craftsmanship wasn't optional, it was expected. Power windows, power seats, and even a power antenna were all part of the package. This is mobile luxury, 50s style. Now, this exact 1959 Lincoln Continental on BringATrailer is a pristine survivor that's been meticulously maintained. Finished in a radiant shade of presidential black with matching interior trim, it's a showstopper from every angle. The current bidding action already reflects its rarity and desirability. This isn't just a collector car. It's automotive history that's actually appreciating in value. At Motor Hub 1003, we don't just talk about cars, we celebrate what they represent. The 59 Continental is a rolling reminder of when America led the world in style, design, and ambition. It's the kind of car that turns heads today just as much as it did in 1959. And with its feature on BringATrailer, it's getting the attention it deserves. If you love vintage luxury, monumental design, and a time when cars doubled as cultural icons, then this 1959 Lincoln Continental is your dream come to life. Whether you're bidding, browsing, or just soaking in the nostalgia, this listing is well worth your time. Be sure to like, subscribe, and follow Motor Hub 1003 for more deep dives into the most iconic machines ever built. Until next time, keep your chrome polished and your eyes on the classics. Backhand index pointing right. Like, comment, and share if these adorable fur balls made you smile. Bell subscribe for more epic pet moments.